So when you tell them, do I want you running or do I want you sitting crisscross applesauce? And all the kids are sitting and they look at you and they're going to tell you the wrong answer on purpose. And they get so excited. What you do is called the power look. Now, I'm going to let the voices in your head give you about 5 seconds to make up a story going, I already do that. That's fine. If you already do the power look and you don't even know what the power look is, try on that you don't do the power look. And it's okay. Try on that you don't have all the information that exists. Try on that you only have a little bit of a little information, and people don't care if you're right all the time. And the more that you try to prove that you're right all the time, the people that know you just go, oh, she doesn't listen. He doesn't pay attention. You're not open to anything. So try on that the power look is this. After I do a regular, so I'll be like, oh, good job, paying attention, following directions. I like the way you're following directions. I like the way that you're participating. And then I see someone who displays a behavior that I don't approve of, and I just go, I like the way that you're following directions. I like the way that you're paying attention. I like the way that you're following directions. And all of a sudden I see somebody that displays a behavior that I don't approve of, and I just go,